Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm going to make a mushroom dish for you guys. We're going to do like a coconut cream kind of curry sauce to go with it. I got two kinds of mushrooms. This one is called the oyster mushroom, and this is the king trumpet mushroom, or also I think there's, I think it's also the king oyster mushroom. I always forget the name of it. But anyway, yeah, so these are really great, very hearty mushrooms, very flavorful, really good, kind of a chewy, meaty texture, especially these. And we're going to start by chopping up our onions and peppers. We're going to saute these with the no oil method, which I've done in many videos. And then while I'm doing that, I'm going to chop up the mushrooms. So let's get going. The onions are looking nice. We're going to add the peppers. While the peppers are softening, I've chopped up the mushrooms into relatively large pieces. And we're going to toss these in next. Peppers and the onions are looking nice now, so we're going to add the mushrooms. I'm going to add just a splash of water, and I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for a few minutes. And I'm going to be grating the coconut while that's happening. Okay, I've got some coconut grated here, and we're going to add this. And just a quick note about this, you could obviously use, store-bought kind of grated coconut. But the difference in flavor is just amazing. So I think if anybody hasn't grated their own coconut before, it's just a lot more kind of rich and creamy and oily, obviously, because it's not dried out. So I just take, the pieces from here and just grate it with, the small holes here. And I don't know, whatever that is, maybe like 2 handfuls or so. We're going to add this now, and then I'm going to round up the seasonings for the meal. Okay, so we've got a big pile of curry. We have some paprika, we have some fennel or caraway seeds, we got salt and pepper, and we are going to dump this all on now. Everything's looking pretty nice and, evenly cooked now. I'm going to take the lid off, I'm going to add all the seasonings, and I'm just going to stir this until some of the water reduces down and, gets it a little bit thicker, and that'll be the next thing. Alright, that's all set. So we're going to turn it off, set it to the side, and, plate it up. So there you have it. Coconut curry, oyster, and king oyster mushrooms. Served over some, multicolored pasta. You could just as easily put it over rice or potatoes or whatever your favorite, side is. And, yeah, it tastes great. The whole thing took maybe, 25-30 minutes to make. Super easy, super quick, and super nutritious. You got a lot of different colors, a lot of different vitamins, and good flavors. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, remember to give it a big thumbs up. See you in the next one. Share it with your friends. Thanks a lot for everybody's support. And, yeah, thanks. Bye.